In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Start by opening Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down right away, and when you're ready, hit Additional Settings. Now select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Finally, hit Corrections and Suggestions to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it on or switch it off. Quick tip, you can also click on autocorrection on the left, and if you decided to use it, try this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. In my opinion, it's making using autocorrection even better, and if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!